How to delete WhatsApp business account. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete WhatsApp business account. So how do you delete your WhatsApp business account? First of all, log into your WhatsApp business just like I've done here. And then once you have logged in, move to the top right corner of the screen, click on the three vertical dots that you can see there. Then a drop down menu will appear. In this menu, select settings, which is the last option on this page. And then you'll be brought to your settings page. So on this page, scroll down until you can see the account icon, all right, the account option, which is below business tools. So by clicking on account, you will be brought to the accounts page. Here you can see options like security notifications, passkeys, email address, two-step verification, change number, request account info, then delete account. So to delete account, just click on delete account, and then you'll be taken to the next stage where you can enter in your number, click on delete account, and then just like that, your account would be deleted. So this is how you can delete your account on WhatsApp Business. Very simple. You can go ahead to try it out now. Thank you and have a good day.